In this video, we're going to talk about how you take a decimal and convert it into a fraction. What we're going to do is we're going to think about place values and use the place value to help us put it over denominator. Let's look at the first example. Let's turn 18 hundredths into a fraction. So first thing we're going to do is we have to, again, look at our place value. So we know the first digit after the decimal is the 10th position, and the 8 is in the hundredth position. Hundredth means 1 of 100. So we're going to put 18 over a denominator of 100. So basically that is 18 hundredths in fractional form, but we know we can simplify, right? So we know we can divide 18 by 2 and get 9, and divide 100 by 2 and we can get 50. So 9 fiftieths is the same thing as 18 hundredths. So that is your fraction. Example number 2. This is 179 thousandths. This is 10th, 100th, thousandths place. So let's go ahead and put 179 over a denominator of 1,000. I don't think there's any number that can go into both these because this number is not even to reduce this fraction down anymore. So 179 over 1,000 is 179 thousandths in fractional form. Example 3. So we have a 6.25. And what this means is it's going to be a mixed number, right? Because you got a whole number portion right here. And then we have 25 hundredths. So let's put 25 over 100. We know that 25 can go into 100, so we can reduce it down. 25 goes into 100 4 times. So 6.25 in fractional form is equal to 6 1/4. Last example, 1.32 or 1 32 hundredths. So again, we know we have a whole number of 1. In 32, we're going to put that over the denominator of 100. Let's see, 32 is, we know it can be divided by 2, so that goes to 16, and 100 can be divided by 2, so that's 50. And I don't think there's anything further to reduce this number down, so 1 32 hundredths is the same thing in fractional form as 1 16 fiftieths. So that wasn't too hard, was it? Here's one example for you. 18 35 hundredths. Convert that to fractional form. Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.